Crock pots and slow cookers are wonderful. Put this stuff in it. You don't have to stir it as much as you do if you cook it in a pan on top of the stove. But the flavors go through. I use mine quite a bit. And today, we're going to use it for stew. When you buy stew meat at your store, it's usually about this size in the package. I like it a little bit smaller than that. My meat market cuts it for me like this. I like London broil. I get about as lean as I can. I'll flour this. I've got 2 skillets ready to go. Each one's got about 1 tablespoon of canola oil. You don't need much. Put a little flour on this and brown it. My first step. I'll start with about 1.5 cups in each one of the skillets. I'll use herb ox, sodium-free beef bouillon, a little bit of kitchen bouquet, some bottled water, because my tap water's got sodium in it. Make my broth out of that. Put it in the crock pot. I've got 2 going here. Making the broth in the same skillet that we fried the meat in serves 2 purposes. Gets all those goodies out of the pan and into the broth, and it makes that pan so much easier to clean. Once the meat's done, here's some of the vegetables that are going to go in. Just going to flour that meat a little bit and brown it. I kind of forgot what I was doing here and just started making stew. I've got the zucchini and mixed vegetables and the meat in here. Mixed vegetables, I don't put much in. They do have some sodium probably in the peas and the lima beans, but a little bit, it's good. 2/3 cups got 30 milligrams of sodium. All the other veggies that are going in here, I weighed first with my little handy dandy scale, chopped them up, measured them. It's easier for me to look at a recipe that's got cups rather than grams. I can kind of see that. The only thing I don't have here that I want to put in here is onion. I used the last one yesterday, so I'm going to have to run up to my grocery store and do an onion. I got my onion, put it in there, added a couple more potatoes. They have no sodium. I like using fresh vegetables. You can use canned or frozen, but you just have to really watch the sodium on it. I tasted the broth, and it needed a little more garlic for me, so I added a little more garlic. And I put a couple of shakes of Italian seasoning in it. 1 can of no salt added diced tomatoes. 6 tablespoons of no salt added tomato paste. It's 11 o'clock, and my dinner is done. When the stew is done, I'll measure it, and then I'll let you know exactly what I ended up with. Crock-pot food is fun to make. You don't have to stir it all day. You get that awesome aroma in your house all day. And another good thing about making your own is that you get to put the vegetables that you like. If you don't like some, don't put them in. If you like others more than I do, add more to it. You customize it to just the way you like it.